I am Nebu Philips. I'm Senior Director for the Technical Marketing team for processors here at Synaptics. Yeah, so we saw that quite a few factors, and first generation continues to gain pretty good traction in the market for us. So we've deliberately focused on a segment of the IoT market where you can think of both an entry level as well as a premium performance levels, both into the far edge of the IoT market. So whether it is consumer IoT, industrial applications, or even enterprise grade solutions, and multimodal workloads. So we see a lot of these applications are becoming AI native by default, whether it is vision based, voice based, audio based. So we wanted to have a solution that hits all the right points in terms of price, performance, and power. So we think the 2610 product families will deliver that solution to the market. So of course we understand that there is a lot of confusion in the way how to do AI at the edge, especially for IoT. So in the data center case, it's kind of understood, right? There are fewer players, but when it comes to a fragmented world of IoT, there's a lot of confusion. So the way we believe to address this is to go completely open source and to create a developer community around how to build applications for IoT, especially when there are AI workloads involved. So a lot of the details of these 2610 that you will find out is to do with how we have co-designed the NPU subsystem, the neural processor unit subsystem in these SoCs in partnership with Google Research. So this a very scalable silicon architecture, and on top of it you have a completely open source edge AI compiler. So we invite developers to try out and experience the power of the 2610. So there's a lot of proprietary and custom solutions where tool chains are not that open. So this changes that story on its head. Yeah, see, one of the things that we see, right, the rate of software innovation is far outpacing what silicon architectures are able to keep up with, especially as more and more communities are developing around open source models. So with our approach, right, we really have to keep pace with that. So open source is key to how we do things, and it stretches into the world of models as well. Our entire tool chain is upstream, so developers will find it very easy to take a model, irrespective of what format it is in, all the standard formats, TF-Lite or PyTorch or Onyx or JAX, and then compress it down to running on this 2610 line in the best manner possible. So there's a lot of openness in how we do things for workflows for AI applications. For a certain segment of the IoT market, that's right. So our high end still remains the first generation SL1600 series, and you'll see at the demos at Tech Day a lot of solutions from our partner ecosystem, whether it is smart camera based, industrial fleet management, that still use the 8 TOPS NPU in our first generation. So with our new generation, it is a 1 TOPS NPU, but it brings the right combination of performance and power and transformer acceleration to enable a new class of experiences for the far edge of the IoT.